Hello Android users. Tired of those pesky ads invading your phone? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to put an end to unwanted ads on your Android device. Let's reclaim our screen space. 1. Google Chrome built-in ad blocker. Open Google Chrome on your Android phone, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Settings, scroll down to Site Settings. Under the Content section, open Pop-ups and Redirects, turn off the Pop-ups and Redirects toggle, go back to the Site Settings page and disable intrusive ads as well. 2. Third-party browsers with ad blockers. If you want to remove ads during web browsing, consider using a third-party browser. Samsung Internet offers a built-in extension store to download ad blockers. Firefox, another popular alternative with ad blocker extensions. Brave, provides an ad-free browsing experience. 3. Manage site notifications. Long press the Google Chrome app icon and tap the I button. Open notifications. Scroll to all sites notifications and review the allowed sites list. Turn off notification permission for unknown websites. 4. Home screen banner ads. Full-screen banner ads on the home screen can be annoying. Be cautious when granting display over other apps permission. Some sketchy apps misuse this permission to display ads. If you encounter such ads, identify the app responsible and consider uninstalling it. That's all you need to know. If you'd like more tech tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.